indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, leather interior group, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2015 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.